Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the use of final keyword in Java language. Final keyword is also called as a modifier in Java. The final keyword can be used along with variable declarations, method declarations, and class declarations. The modifier refers to the functionality of or the use of a final modifier, final keyword that changes the default behavior of the variables, methods, and classes. Let us see the three different uses. First, final keyword used with variable declarations. When the final keyword is used with variables, the value of the variables can be assigned only once. Any attempt to alter the initial value assigned to a variable will end up in compiler error. It's useful to declare constants in Java. Let's see an example for it. We have a class called xFinal. The xFinal class has a variable iVar, which is declared with final modifier. So inside the modification, any attempt to alter iVar will end up in the compiler error as shown in the bottom of this slide. The second use, final keyword along with the methods. When the final keyword is used along the methods, especially during the inheritance, it cannot be overridden in the derived class. So if a base class is having a method, if it is final in the subclass or in the derived class, it cannot be overridden. This is useful when the programmer wishes to retain the base class functionality without any modification in the derived classes. Any attempt to override the final method will end up in compiler error. Here is an example. We have xFinal class and xDerry class. xDerry class extends xFinal. The base class is having a final method sample function. And in the derived class, if you attempt to override the final method, it will end up in compiler error. The error message is shown in this slide. So it clearly says that you cannot override the final method in the base class. Third use, final keyword with classes. When the final keyword is used with the classes, it stops inheritance. You cannot create any subclasses for the final class. The final keyword along with these classes are very useful when the programmer wishes not to inherit any of the properties or methods from an existing class or base class. Any attempt to create a subclass will end up in a compiler error. Here is an example. We have a xFinal class which is final. The derived class, if it extends xFinal, will end up in compiler error as shown in the bottom of the slide. Thank you. If you have any queries, please email to me. The email ID is shown in this slide. Thank you.